How to enable auto-approving comments from friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable automatic comment approval only for your friends. This applies to your Spotlight and public story snaps if you share anything publicly. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down until you find the option labeled as comments. And once you found that, simply tap on it. Now here you can see the option labeled as auto approve my friends. So as you can see, I have already enabled that, but if it is not enabled, just tap on it to enable, and once that's turned on, any comments from your friends will be automatically approved and instantly visible. No need to do it manually. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.